What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to remove shipping calculated at checkout from your Shopify account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So how to remove shipping calculated at checkout. So removing the shipping calculated at checkout text from your Shopify site is rather simple. So step one is go to the online store, select themes, then select actions and go to edit languages. So underneath sales channels, click online store, as you can see over here. Step two is type calculated at checkout in search bar, and once you're in edit languages page, click into the search bar and type in calculated at the checkout and remove or edit the taxes and shipping over here, as you can see. So taxes and shipping collected at the checkout, you can just easily remove it. So step 4 is of course save the changes and confirm shipping calculated at checkout is removed over here, as you can see. So basically that's the entirety of the process. So you just go over here as I showed you. When you go to the online store, go to the themes, and after the themes you just want to select, as you can see, after the theme select actions and edit languages. So themes over here, currently I do not have one, so I cannot show you the fulfilled tutorial, so we've done it this way. So you can just easily through the edit languages type in calculated at the checkout and just remove it and save the changes. So basically that's the entirety of the job, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.